Right. So we have, this is 2a. We have fx equals 1 minus absolute 2x minus 5 absolute. First I should find where it crosses the y-axis. How do I do that? Anybody? Try again? Thank you. So if I calculate f0, that would be minus 1. So that's 0 minus 4 is my first point. Now, do you remember how to find the vertex? No? Vertex, turning point? Anybody? No. That's when this piece equals 0. So that is when x is 5 over 2 and y is 1. So that's my second point. Point 1, point 2. And then point 3 and 4 is where it crosses the x-axis. So what do I do there? I want to solve this one. Fx equals 0. So that means 1 minus absolute 2x minus 5 equals 0. That means 1 equals absolute 2x minus 5. Now what do I do next to get rid of this absolute business?
Square.
Yep. Square square. 1 equals 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. So that means I will have 4x squared minus 20x plus 24 equals 0. Okay, so I can divide by 4 and I get x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So this means x is 2 or 3. So this gives me my next points. 2, 0 is my third point, and 3, 0 is my fourth point. So now I have my 4 points I can draw. Yeah? So now to the graph. So I'll give you my graph, and then I'll give you the nice graph. Okay, did you write down the 4 points? Yeah, okay. So, graph time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what was my first point?
0.
What was it?
0 minus 4.
My next point?
5 over 2, 1.
My next point?
2, 0.
And here 3, 0.
Yeah.
And here we go. Ugly? I know. Let's have a look at a nice one. What is it now? Y equals 1 minus absolute of 2x minus 5. Draw that for me. It's not so bad. I can hardly tell the difference. There's my one. Like looking at a twin. Anyway, you get the idea. We'll get you the full marks in the exam. So, I'll let you try the next part, which is describe the transformation, part 2. So I'll give you a minute for that. Describe this transformation for me. Impress me. Go ahead.
Mathematically,
3 units.
3 and move to the right by 2 units.
So close, but so far. What's his mistake? Yeah, what's your mistake? What's his mistake? He did a good job, but he made one small mistake.
Move up.
No, you're right the first time. He said move to the right.
You said left.
Left.
Did you?
Yeah, you said left.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is recorded, so I can check.
You said left.
Technical check.
Okay, I believe you, I'm sorry. So he's right, I'm sorry. So we expand 3 times on the y, and then we move it to the left 2 units. Yeah? So, expand along the y-axis by a factor of 3. And then also translate to the left by 2 units. Now we need to draw this though, that's the other thing. Yeah? Okay, can I draw it now? Can I? Yeah, so let's have a look here. Go back to my graph. So if I expand vertically by 3 units, it means this point here, which is at -4, now is down, way down at -12. And this one here, which is at 1, will now be up at 3. So it will first go like this, and then I move it to the left 2 units, so that will plunk it here. Now I'm sorry, this isn't very neat, but this is what it'll look like. Let's see a nice version of it. So this is for, they call this f of x. And then what's their double? G. G is 3 f of x plus 2. Is that right? Yeah. And this is their gx. Okay, so let's draw our gx now. Can't see there. Not bad. Oh, it's going through the origin. Oh, of course, because if that's at 2, and if I move it 2 to the left, I should have it down here. So, not too bad. There we go. I can draw this nicer. Okay. Oh, I see the problem here. When I drew my green graph, I put this at 3, but that's actually 4. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Alright, I lied when I said I get full marks earlier. I should drew my 3 through a 3 and not through a 4. I had it too far to the right here. Okay. Is that okay with the graph? Yeah? It's all low on energy. Is this okay? It's too hot, is it? No kidding. I didn't know that. Alright. Let's have a look at the next one. So I'll just give you a minute to do B part 1. Look. So we want to calculate firstly P of Q of 3. P of Q of 3. Now Q of 3 will be 5. And P of 5 will be 25, 20, 35. Did we get 35? Great. And then Q of P of 3, that would be Q of 9 plus 9 is 18 minus 5 is 13. Yeah, and then plus the 2 makes it 15. Yeah. We might as well do the second part now together. So we want to solve P of Q of X equal to Q of P of X. Meaning, we want to solve P of Q equal to Q of P. P of X plus 2, so that would be X plus 2 squared plus 3 times X plus 2 minus 5 equals X squared plus 3X minus 5 plus 2. So that would be X, I should say squared of course, X squared plus 4X plus 4 plus 3X plus 6 minus 5 equals X squared plus 3X minus 3. The X squared cancel, 4X plus 3, the 3X is cancelled, so I get 4X equals 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, minus 8, so that means X equals minus 2. And finally, the inverse of Q, if Q is X plus 2, then the inverse would be X minus 2. Yeah? We're all happy? You look happy. Yeah? So let's turn to B5. Yep, so in the next couple of pages, B5.